What's up, YouTube? So I just got up. As you can see, it's a rainy day out here in the desert, the California desert. I'm about to go to the bathroom, and today seems to be another day where the weather is not at our favor, but we're learning to make the best out of everything and to enjoy the sunny days, the rainy days, the windy days, the snowy days, and not let it get in our way, not let it affect our mood, not let it affect our inspiration and our motivation, and making an art out of living, as I mentioned before. About to go in the bathroom. I'm gonna catch you on the next clip. Gonna wash my face real quick here, camp style. Let's do this. So I can wake up. Taking off the eye boogers. Just for today, I do not fear anger, for anger is illusion. Just for today, I do not worry, for fear is distraction. Just for today, I am grateful for all my blessings. Just for today, I work with honesty and integrity. Just for today, I am kind and compassionate with myself and all living beings. And so it is, and shall be. I want to remind you that you are capable of accomplishing anything that you set your mind and your heart to. When you align yourself and you have a great purpose and you know that you are so protected by a higher power, by God, nothing can stop you. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter what you are faced with. When you are in that hole, in that dark hole, where you feel like there is nothing left in you, no life, you feel so defeated, that very desire, that burning fire will wake you up out of that grave and you will rise. And that is the spirit within. That is the Holy Spirit, the holy fire awakening you. That is God awakening you to your purpose, why you are here. If you came to free your soul and to shine along the path, that is the greatest glory, when we can awaken in this lifetime, when everything that we are faced with is making us forget who we are, all the trauma, all the propaganda, all the distractions, all the distortions. But if you can see the reality, not with these eyes, but with divine eyes, with God's eyes, allowing you to see the reality, to penetrate this false matrix, this is when you are powerful. This is when people fear you, because they are no longer facing an average human. They are now in the face of a being that is guided by God's light, by God's Holy Spirit. And doesn't matter how hard the challenge is, doesn't matter how high the mountain is, how impossible it may seem, how hard the world may make it for you to shine this truth, God will make ways, because God will make ways through you, through your inner spirit, your motivation to overcome all of life's adversity. And that is power. No one can take that from you, because when you are left with nothing, that is when you are filled with the Holy Spirit. That is when you are filled with everything, with Shakti, with the holy fire within. And it doesn't matter who says what. It doesn't matter who judges you. It doesn't matter who thinks you are condemned, who thinks you are worshiping the devil, who thinks that you are lost. Because you know you are not lost. You know who you are, because God is guiding you. And you are able to see, you are able to discern. And you are now tapping into the field of the absolute reality. And that is true power. So I can, I will, I must becomes your everything. Because you are no longer living by accident. You are living on purpose. And that's what it's all about.